First job today. Country living out here. Mixing up my solution. The carpet here is really soiled. Pet stains, coffee, random. One of them jobs. So I'm mixing up some Procyon right here for the cleaning. It is a pH of 11, I think, 0.5, and that's going to really help. And hopefully that does the job. I'm going to be treating the stains with pea lime, and I'm going to be doing a double whammy. I'm going to be doing liquid alive on the main room for odor. So it's going to kind of overspray over the whole carpet pretty much with the liquid alive, but the stains directly with the pea lime. So stay tuned. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. This is coffee, apparently. I hit this with a 40 volume here. Alright, so we did all the pre-sprays, all the post-sprays, or the pre-sprays, pit enzymes. As you can see, we had to take this out because I wanted to be far away from that, but I'm pretty sure that's dog doodle. And you got a weak stomach. Some of these jobs might not be for you. Some of these jobs might not be for you. Some of these jobs might not be for you. Well, it's looking better. If you guys are looking at getting a VLM, walk away from these type of jobs. All right, guys, it's a wrap. You can tell the carpet came out 100% better. Not perfect, but you can see what I was working with there. So the customers were super happy, so that's all that matters. And I'm pretty proud of myself and pretty proud of Aaron today. He's doing a good job.
Thank you, sir.
All right, well, we'll see you in the next one.